Welcome to the HP Partner Portal video, where we're going to address your HP Partner Ready Vantage dashboard. Now that your onboarding is complete, this dashboard within the portal becomes your central hub for managing your partnership with HPE, from tracking program status to accessing tools, resources, and enablement. In this quick tutorial, we'll cover 3 things every partner should know to get the most out of the portal. The first thing you'll see after logging in is the HPE Partner Portal homepage. Think of this as your personalized dashboard. Here you can customize your experience by selecting the top tools you most often use, giving you quick access to platforms like sales tools, marketing resources, or enablement programs. The homepage also dynamically shows recommended resources tailored to your role and region, recently viewed content for quick navigation, key announcements and updates from HPE, including the banners located on the top of your homepage. The goal is simple: put your most important information and tools for your business right at your fingertips. One of the most important areas in the portal is the Partner Status Dashboard. Here you can see how your organization is performing within HP Partner Ready Vantage tracks, including build, sell, and service. This dashboard helps you track your current membership levels such as Silver, Gold, or Platinum, monitor progress towards next year's program requirements, quickly access detailed views of each program center, and identify gaps in your certifications, competencies, sales thresholds, and much more. Visual indicators make it easy to understand where you stand and what actions are needed to maintain or advance your partner status. In short, this dashboard ensures you always know what's complete and what's next. Beyond tracking program status, the portal provides everything you need to grow your HPE business. Partners can access program guides and essential documentation, marketing and co-marketing tools to drive demand, sales and technical enablement platforms like HP Sales Pro and HP Tech Pro, news and updates through the Seismic News Center. These resources are designed to help partners sell, build, deliver, and support HPE solutions more effectively. The HPE Partner Portal is designed to give you full visibility into your partnership and easy access to tools you need to succeed. Start by customizing your homepage, reviewing your partner status dashboard, and exploring resources available to support your business. Welcome to the HP Partner Ready Vantage program, and we look forward to growing together.